Hello, Mr. Daly here, Assistant Principal at St Ivo and Lead Teacher Public Services. I'd like to thank you for watching this presentation and for considering public services when you come into the sixth form. If you've got any questions following the presentation, please feel free to drop me an email. You'll find my address at the end. Thanks a lot.
So to give you an idea of who teaches alongside myself on the public service course, we have Mr. Watkins and Miss Sheldon, both members of the P department, and you may know Mr. Watkins in particular as he's been teaching this course now for a couple of years. Just to give you an overview of the course, we are a Pearson BTEC qualification, and this course is the equivalent of 2 GCSEs. You'll also take this alongside possibly your maths and or your English GCSE resits, thus enabling you at the end of the year to then apply for level 3 courses, hopefully back at St Ivo the following year. And we do have a high percentage of students that follow that path every single academic year. This course contains 7 units of work. We have 2 exams, one in January and one in the summer series, and then we have 5 coursework units sitting alongside it. Going through the units, Unit 1, the role and work of the public services, this is our first exam which will be taken in January. We are basically exploring the different types of work from a range and a variety of different public service sectors here, in particular the emergency services and also the armed forces. Unit 2, we're looking at working skills in the public service sector. So once again, we're looking at what sort of skill sets you need to be successful working in different jobs along those different public service sectors. Once again, looking at a variety of different jobs from the armed services, the blue light services, and other public service jobs alongside that as well. Unit 3, employment in the public services, and this is to do with how to apply for jobs, what you need to be successful in application, what skill set you need to be successful when you're applying for jobs from different public services. Unit 5 is quite a practical unit, so it's health, fitness and lifestyle for public services. So we're looking at the health and fitness requirements for jobs in different public service roles. Also, you'll be taking part in some fitness testing yourselves, looking at how fit you are and how to improve your fitness levels to see how you could fit into different public service jobs. Unit 6 is our second exam unit. This will be taken in the summer series of exams, and this is looking at the term society and how public services fit into British society and how as a citizen that impacts you as well. Unit 10, once again, is quite a practical unit of work. There will be some classwork to plan for these things, but also we'll be going out and about, taking part in different adventurous activities, sometimes going over to Grafham Water and taking part in some mountain biking and rock climbing and canoeing. And you'll be taking part, as I say, in a wide variety of sort of practical things alongside some theory work and planning alongside that. Unit 12 is our last unit, and this is to do with land navigation by map and compass. Once again, there's a wide variety here of practical and theory work. You'll be planning a walk, which you'll then be taking part on. You'll be leading part of that walk by using your map skills and your compass skills, and then we'll review how that went at the end of the unit as well. So why choose public service at St Ivo? Once again, just to reiterate, this is a chance to gain extra GCSE equivalent qualifications to sit alongside your maths and English retakes, and then hopefully enabling you to come back to study level 3 at the end of that year. So you've got a wide variety of choice. We believe this course is well structured and well taught. All 3 members of staff have got experience of teaching it, and it offers you something quite different to the usual sort of qualifications you get at St Ivo. We usually offer trips and off-site practical sessions. Obviously, at the moment, due to COVID-19, that we've put a hold to that, but hopefully when things get to a bit more normality, we can start those things up again. And we also offer visits to and from a range of public service jobs, including the Army, the Police and the RAF, just to enhance and give you a real idea and indication of what skill set and what it takes to work in the public services. If you've got any questions, please feel free to drop me an email, which you can see on the screen at the moment, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot.